Hello friends, in this video we will talk about the charge off processing. So here first question is what is charge off? So on monthly basis we are using our credit card. We did the transaction, account got cycled and we got the payment due date. Suppose we are not making the payment on the right time. So after one cycle, two cycle we still did not make the payment. So at some certain level of delinquency your account will go to the charge off state. So, charge-off processing occurs when an account enters a charge-off condition automatically or through manual intervention. In CMS, charge-off processing occurs in stage to prevent the premature write-off an account as a bad debt. Each stage of charge-off through which an account may pass causes change in the account's charge-off status. So now we'll see what are the charge-off status code. So if we see, we can see charge-off status on ARMB01. So we have no, there is no charge off, status will be for none 0. Potential charge off 1, pending charge off 2, auto initial 5, manual initial charge off 6, final charge off 9. This is charge off status. At the and this is charge off status, and there when the final charge of 9 your account status will become J. Now what is automatic charge off processing? Automatic charge off is based on parameter that you set on logo record ARML24. We can specify over that automatic charge-off will begin at certain level of cycle due delinquency, at certain level of recency delinquency, or a combination of both. When an account reaches the designation level of delinquency, it becomes a potential charge-off. Its charge-off status change from 0 to 1 and the account will reach the initial charge-off within 60 days. The pending frequency field on ARML determine when the account will change from potential charge-off to pending charge-off. At the pending stage, account charge-off status change from 1 to 2 and the account will reach initial charge-off within 30 days. The charge-off frequency will determine when initial charge-off actually occurs. At this stage, the account charge-off status change from 2 to 5 and the account is truly charge-off. Now we'll see manual charge-off. Automatic charge-off based on parameter to set on logo record. Now we can initiate a manual charge-off in two ways. We can enter a 3 in the CO status field in the account level screen ARMB01. After that, we can enter a charge-off region code in the RSN field on ARMB01. For bank card, initiate a manual charge-off is by entering a region code. Now, when we initiate a manual charge-off using charge-off status code 3, the account reaches initial charge-off based upon the value in the CO frequency field on the logo record ARML24. When we initiate a manual charge-off using a charge-off region code, the following occurs. The account becomes pending charge-off immediately. The potential charge-off stage is skipped. The account reaches initial charge-off in the number of days specified in the days field associated with the region code. Now, what are charge-off region code? Charge-off region code are defined on ARML logo screen 24. You can designate a single charge-off region code for all automatic charge-offs. CMS will assign this region code to any account that meets the delinquency criteria used to initiate an automatic charge-off. You can designate up to 8 different charge-off region code for initiating manual charge-off. So now block code migration. We can direct CMS to place a block code on an account automatically during the charge-off processing. For automatic charge-offs, we can designate only one block code for migration. The block code migrate to the account when the account reaches the initial charge-off. For manual charge-off, you can designate up to 8 block codes for migration, one for each region code. The block code migrate to the account when you enter the region code on ARMB01. Now, what is the initial and final charge-off? That is most frequently asked question in the interview. In initial charge-off, the account activity is truly charge-off, and the following happens: the balance remains on the account, but move from AR to the PL on the general ledger and become part of the logo's profit and loss balance. When you go to ARML 14 or 24 screen, there we can see AR and PL component. So there In the initial charge of account means the total 17 component. So all the 17 component move from AR to PL. The initial status of account change from A to Z. CMS move each bill not component of the balance from AR to PL separately. The charge of BNP component display on the credit plans segment record here. So here in the initial charge of we can make the payment. Now what is final charge of? Final charge of our account is abandoned as a loss. Here the bank will consider that what will happen, customer is not going to make the payment. So they will consider it as a loss of the account and they will try to do the final charge of. In the final charge of account status change from J to 9. The balance on the account is set to 0 and removed from the logos of profit and loss balance. The auto charge of month field and ARML13 indicate the number of month between initial charge up and final charge up. The CO month field associated with charge up region code on ARML24 indicate the number of month between initial charge up and final charge up for the region code. As a general rule, an account should be allowed to go to final charge up only if there is no possibility of recovering the loss. That is the normally when every business do it. And here when account go to final charge up, we cannot do any kind of transaction, even payment also. So this is the most frequently asked question in the interview. What is the difference between initial charge off and final charge off? And we also need to remember some parameter like charge off status, reason code on the AR account level screen, at which CD level your charge off start at the ARML24. We should know this parameter when we are working on the charge off. This is the charge off related parameter on the ARML24 screen. Here we'll see that its value. CO frequency value, number that indicate when CMS changes pending charge up accounts to initial charge up account. The value are 00 means cycle date, 01 to 31 is specific day of the cycle, 41 to 41 is specific day of the week, 99 means month. Pending frequency, code that determine when CMS changes potential charge up account to pending charge up account. The value are C, M and E. C means cycle, M means month end, E means either cycle day or month end, whichever come first here. Cycle, level of contractual delinquency required for an account to be eligible for automatic charge up. The value are 0 to 9 means at which CD level your automatic charge up will start. Recency means level of recency delinquency required for an account to be eligible for automatic charge up. The value are 0 to 9. Block code that CMS assigned to the account based segment record when an account is charged off. And what are the parameters? Charge off region code here. Two position code that identify the default charge off region code that CMS automatically assigned to account that meet the contractual and recency delinquency criteria. The first position is system defined charge off region code. The value were C, credit loss, B, bankruptcy, F, fraud loss, and T for counterfeit. The second position is a user defined code that further describes the charge off region. The entry can be either a letter or a number. CO statement code that determine type of statement that CMS produce for the charge off account. N means normal, O for online. CO month, number of consecutive month an account must remain charged up without activity before CMS generate the final charge off transactions. At final charge off, CMS remove the account balance from the profit and loss of the logo. A value 00 in this indicates CMS use the value in the auto charge off month on ARML 13. Now there are other charge off related parameter on the ARML 13, that's auto charge off month. Number that indicate how many months an account remains charged up without activity before CMS generate the final charge off transactions. Here there are on the account level also there are some charge off parameter like charge off status. We have seen 0 means not charge off, 1 means potential, 2 pending, 3 manual, 4 block, 5 automatic completed, 6 manually completed, non-account abandoned. RSN means region code. Here C means credit loss, B for bankruptcy, F fraud loss, T counterfeit. Here there are some charge off related parameter accruing interest on initial charge off account. System can continue to accrue interest on the account that are in initial charge off. The charge off accrue interest field on the account control table. Posting parameter payment to initial charge off. You can post a payment to account after the account has entered initial charge up. Although you cannot charge up an account that has a credit balance. An account that is already in initial charge up can have a credit balance. However, the account will not go to final charge up. Blocking an initial charge up. You can prevent an account from going to initial charge up by tapping a 4 in the CO status field in ARMB01. The account must have reached the pending stage to be blocked in this way. Reversing an initial charge up. We can reverse an initial charge up. To do so, we must use a transaction code associated with logic module 92 that we have defined in the ARMX screen at org level for that particular given org. This is all about the charge up question. Here we have to, if you are working for a charge up, we have to remain some of the parameter mostly on the ARMB screen, ARML24 screen, and per charge up status, region code, what is difference between initial charge up and final charge up. But here in charge up, most frequently asked question is that what schedule, where we can see the settings on the for which schedule level your account will start charge up and initial charge up and final charge up, what happened. These are the most frequently asked questions in the charge up related interview questions. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel SNT Power Vision. Thank you.